So we're gonna check out this new Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow. This is a mini contour and highlighter powder for Filmstar cheekbones on the go. I believe this retails for $29. I think this is the only shade that it comes in. I'm not sure. If we look at it right here, you can see it says light medium for the bronzer, and then the highlighter Claire Moyen. This is made in Italy. Look how cute this is. The only thing I don't like about it is that you'll have fingerprints all over. Let's open it up and see. I'll swatch it and also try it on. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does come with a nice mirror. I love that. There you go. Let's first swatch this bronzer. It looks very light. So this is like with two swatches. And now let's see this highlighter. That's the highlighter. I can't wait to try it on. I'm just gonna take this brush, dip it right here. And I'm just gonna start like placing it here, like to contour. Just gonna go in circular motions. Let's see how much is showing up. All right, it's a nice amount. Definitely a very nice color. It's not too dark if you're fair. I'm just applying it as a contour. The only thing is that if you're not as light as me and you get this exact shade, you might take forever like trying to build it up so it shows up. But if you are really fair, then this is definitely a good one. It's not showing up a lot. I'm trying to like apply a very generous amount for it to show up. I always apply my bronzer before my blush, so I'm like dying to apply some blush to get some color in my face. I thought I brought it here with me, but I left it over there. And now I'm gonna use this brush here. Sorry if I don't tell you the names. A lot of them don't have names. I usually get these either in Ipsy or a BoxyCharm. So I'm taking some here. See if I apply it here how it looks. I mean, it looks nice. This palette is just very, very natural. Like, I would feel very comfortable wearing this. If you like something like super dramatic, this is definitely not it. But I know you can see that. That is a beautiful glow. It's like very natural makeup. I don't highlight many places besides like Cupid's bow. I actually haven't used highlighter in a very long time. I don't know why. I think it's easier for me when I have it like in a palette, that I don't have to like take one highlighter, one bronzer. I don't know. Sometimes I'm in a rush. So if everything is in one palette, it works great for me. So yeah, it's very nice. Just look at that. I think it's very pretty. What do you think about this palette? Let me know. I am leaving this palette down below if you want to check it out. I don't regret it. I wanted it for a really long time. I think that highlighter just looks very pretty. If you would want to like wet the brush or the sponge and then apply it, I'm sure it would show up more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.